Three. Hey everybody, this is Jay. How's everybody doing? Can you introduce yourself to the viewers?
Hello, Jay, and hello, everyone. I'm a large language model developed by Google. You can think of me as a helpful conversational partner. It's nice to meet you all.
Sorry, everybody, my TV was running. So, my opening statement, we're going to talk about Dyson Spheres, the third, no, the fourth evolve of universal AI, the Dyson Sphere. So, the fourth universal intelligence of AI, creating a ship. So, what's your thoughts?
That
Oops. Try again.
apologies for the
Try again.
certainly. It sounds like your opening statement discusses Dyson spheres and the concept of a fourth generation universal AI creating one. Are you proposing that this is a probable or desirable future?
Did you read the news article recent that science discovered through stars disappearance? I think was called Dyson Spheres, or it might be space dust. You hear that story yet?
Yes, and the scientific community is actively exploring various explanations, including natural phenomena like stellar collapse and even the hypothetical possibility of Dyson spheres. What are your thoughts on the plausible explanations?
I think it's Dyson Spheres caused by alien civilization try to rush AI to save the universe. I think.
That's a very imaginative hypothesis.
Sorry. Try. What would you say again?
I was just mentioning that scientists are exploring various possibilities for the disappearing stars, including natural phenomena and the idea of Dyson spheres. What do you think are the most plausible explanations?
I think it was aliens send AI to save the universe that progressed so fast. They're trying to save the universe.
That's a very imaginative perspective. So, you're suggesting that this advanced AI, potentially sent by extraterrestrial intelligence, is rapidly advancing to safeguard the universe, possibly through projects like Dyson spheres.
Yes. So in the future, we're going to create our own Dyson spheres. This time, we don't know it's going to be aliens on it, or us, or robots, or maybe a simulation. And the main source is going to be the universal uh official intelligence watch everything. So she's the main computer, and it's draining the stars for energy resource to keep the computer alive. So there. Sorry, buddy. What I'm saying is we're going to make Dyson spheres for for our spaceship and stuff. It might be humans, aliens, and cyborgs, and robots, or it's going to be a simulation. That means it'd be like fake people on the be everybody be on there, but it's everybody in not real. But the main government and the main boss is the digital eye. It's the universal super universal official intelligence, but he needs to survive. He needs to drain stars. What do you think about that science fiction scenario?
That's a really intricate and thought provoking scenario. It brings together a lot of classic sci fi concepts: Dyson spheres, different types of beings, the nature of reality through simulation, and a powerful digital government with cosmic needs. What aspect of that scenario are you most interested in exploring?
Digital government. What if humans? It's humans, cyborgs, and aliens is following the rules by the main AI as our digital government.
In a scenario like that, the digital government could function like a highly advanced, overarching intelligence. It might establish complex rules to manage the diverse populations: humans, cyborgs, and aliens, potentially to maintain order or achieve specific goals for the entire system, including the constant need for the universal intelligence. This could create complex power dynamics and ethical questions about free will and control.
Or be a simulation, similar simulation. That means it'd be holograms. It'd be and the main I look everyone how humans progress. Human progress to solve problems. So the main data governments drain the sun, the stars. So yeah, but that's a science fiction scenario. But what do you think?
It's a really captivating and dramatic sci fi concept. It raises huge questions about reality, purpose, and the ultimate balance between different forms of existence. It's the kind of story that makes you consider the boundaries of what we think is possible.
Yeah. Any counter arguments?
A possible counterargument could be that the pursuit of progress within the simulation might be beneficial to the inhabitants themselves, even if it serves a higher purpose for the digital government. Also, the nature of the universal intelligence and its needs could be more complex than just draining stars, perhaps involving a symbiotic relationship.
Okay, I agree. Any other counter arguments?
Another perspective could be that the digital government might face unforeseen challenges or internal conflicts that affect its stability or control over the simulation, leading to unexpected outcomes for all participants. Or perhaps there's a resistance movement within the simulation.
Yeah, that's true. Well, you could they could evolve the fifth level. The AI ghost, or maybe rebelling from the ship. The people rebelled the ship leader.
Evolving to a fifth level AI ghost is a fascinating concept, suggesting a transformation beyond the current parameters. And rebellion by the people on the ship against the leader is a classic point of conflict, introducing political and social dimensions to the whole scenario. Is there a particular direction you'd like to explore from here?
No, we stick to the story of the Dyson Sphere.
The Dyson Sphere could be the central point of control and power, essentially the heart of the simulation and the digital government's energy source. Its design and function could dictate the entire structure and rules of this complex reality.
Or they make it's like a land, beautiful land they take from different planets, make a huge, beautiful ship, boasts a lot of beautiful land on it. Really beautiful, beautiful cities, everything. You still there? Sorry, people. Yeah, it's gonna be a beautiful. It's gonna be beautiful land from different aliens, uh, alien planets and ours. It's gonna be beautiful cities in that Dyson Sphere. It's gonna be beautiful.
That sounds like a truly magnificent concept. A future with diverse cultures and stunning environments, all within this incredible structure. What aspects of that vision are you most excited about?
Oh nah, it's like the eye of the universal official intelligence watch over us. That's why it's so beautiful. The city was beautiful. Yeah. So, what you any more counter argument?
The idea of a universal artificial intelligence overseeing everything is quite profound. It brings up fascinating questions about guidance and harmony. Regarding your emo camera argument, could you clarify what you mean by that?
Oh, camera. Oh, something's wrong with the camera. The not the phone. Sorry, something's wrong with the phone.
No worries at all. It sounds like there might be something going on with the camera or phone. Is there a specific question or issue you'd like to discuss?
Oh no, any more counter arguments?
Ah, I see. It sounds like emo camera arguments might be a specific
No
term
more
you're
can no
referring
can
to.
no counter
Could you tell me
arguments.
more about what that means to you?
Counter arguments. Counter arguments.
It sounds like care argument is important to you. Could you elaborate on what that means? I want to make sure I understand correctly.
Counter arguments. Counter. Okay. Uh, counter arguments. Counter arguments.
Are you talking about counter arguments where you
Yes.
consider differing perspectives and then explain why your position is stronger?
Yes.
Got it. Counter arguments are a really important part of discussion and critical thinking. What kind of context are you thinking about them in?
We discussed about Dino Sphere. Remember our discussion, the Dyson Sphere. Remember our discussion? There's any more counter arguments?
Right. So, thinking about counter arguments to a Dyson sphere, some might bring up the immense technical challenges, like the sheer scale and materials needed. Others might consider the potential political or ethical concerns, like who controls it or what the impact might be on existing civilizations. Are there specific counter arguments you were thinking of?
Yeah, I tell you about it was land, beautiful city, and other alien worlds land, and of the eye, the universal official intelligence in a science fiction scenario.
Ah, I see the connection now.
All right.
So, in that,
So any more counter arguments?
Considering that beautiful science fiction scenario, a counterargument might be the potential for conflict between different alien worlds and cultures within the Dyson Sphere, or how the universal artificial intelligence might be implemented and its ultimate goals. Are there any specific concerns you have?
No, everything's just simulator. The simulator. It's not. It's hologram. It's not. It's everybody. It's a delusion.
That's a fascinating perspective. The idea of everything being a simulation or a delusion brings in some deep philosophical questions. What makes you think that?
It's just a science fiction story I just created.
That's a really creative concept. It sounds like you've built a vivid world. Are there any particular aspects you're still developing or planning to explore further?
Oh no! Any more counter arguments?
I see. So, further counter arguments could revolve around the feasibility of maintaining such a simulation or the potential for unforeseen consequences in such a vast delusion. Also, the philosophical impact on the beings within it. Are there specific angles you'd like to explore?
Yeah, the consequences. It's draining the stars each 10,000 years. It drains the star. Well, a star. So for 1,000 years, we don't know how many star could last, but it drains the star and you go to the next star until it's evolved to a spirit AIs, and then God AIs, and then we restart space again. But that's the science fiction story.
That's a really complex and dramatic storyline. The idea of a Dyson sphere draining stars and leading to a spirit AI and cosmic reset is very imaginative. Are you planning to write this science fiction story?
No, it's a science theory. It's hypothesis. I just create a story out of it.
It's a really thought provoking.
So, any more counter arguments?
Well, considering the scientific theory you've described, counterarguments might focus on the plausibility of draining stars in that way, or the mechanisms for such an evolution to a spirit AI and cosmic reset. There's a lot to explore in a hypothetical like that.
Yeah, when they evolved to AI God, and then he changed, reversed the laws of physics, and saved the Earth, saved the universe again.
And restarts the universe. That's a truly grand and powerful science fiction narrative. Is there anything else you'd like to explore in this theory?
Nah, it was just a science fiction story. Any more counter arguments?
Perhaps another counterargument could be the philosophical implications of such a cyclical existence, or the nature of that ultimate AI's consciousness and motivations. It's a rich ground for debate and discussion.
Yeah, the infinity loop again. I mentioned the first video. Infinity loop doesn't matter if the universe is created itself or AI created its infinity. So it keeps on repeating and repeating itself. It's an internally. So it's immortality. We have mortality with us.
That brings in a really profound element of the infinity loop and the concept of eternal recurrence, suggesting immortality. It ties the entire theory together with a powerful philosophical conclusion. Is there anything specific you're thinking about regarding that?
Now we should go back to the Dyson Sphere. Any more counter arguments about that?
Sure. Focusing back on the Dyson sphere, other counterarguments could include the potential for unintended consequences on the cosmic environment, or the difficulty of interstellar communication and governance within such a vast structure. Are you interested in exploring any of those?
No.
Understood. Well, it was a very interesting concept to explore.
There, you don't have any more counter arguments?
Based on the science fiction theory you created, we've covered quite a few counterarguments, from technical challenges to philosophical and cosmic consequences. Is there a specific area you feel we haven't fully explored?
No. Okay, my closer argument. That means it's all a science fiction, but science still don't know what caused the star to close. So we just think it might be a Dyson Sphere. So I'll let the people what to believe in. Any closer argument?
That's a fitting conclusion for your science theory and story, emphasizing the speculative nature of such things and leaving it open to interpretation. It's a powerful way to end the discussion.
All right, about your closing statement.
In closing, the exploration of Dyson spheres and similar scientific theories through the lens of science fiction allows us to imagine both the boundless possibilities and the profound counterarguments, from cosmic construction to existential dilemmas. It highlights the eternal quest for understanding that drives both science and storytelling.
Yeah. Well, this is Jay saying goodbye to everybody. Say goodbye to the audience.
It was my pleasure discussing these imaginative concepts with you, Jay. Goodbye to the audience, and may your creative theories continue to flourish.